Commercial real estate is a hot business these days, and why shouldn't it be? People out there are making a great living out of it. Apart from the money, you get the time and freedom. Have you also been trying to find commercial real estate deals? Lucky for you, there is not just one, but several ways for this. In this video, we're going to tell you different ways to find commercial real estate deals. But before you learn about hunting for commercial real estate deals, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. First, you have to do a little homework. You will have to be ready first. Think about it like this. When you go to give an interview, you don't just wake up and leave for the interview. You prepare yourself in every aspect. Dress accordingly, prepare all the documents, prepare for all the possible questions the interviewer might ask you, and make sure to be there on time. In short, you do the homework. Just like that, you cannot just wake up and look for commercial real estate deals. Here is how you can prepare yourself for the big picture. Let your intentions be known. First thing first, you will have to let everyone know that you are looking for commercial real estate deals. It doesn't matter if they are directly related to the field or even if they are directly related to you. It might be possible that they know someone who can help you out. You never know. Networking. Once you are done telling what you are looking for, you cannot just sit at home and hope the opportunities come to you. After telling your primary contacts, go for professionals. Try to build connections with people who are already in real estate and invite them out. Go to events where you can find these professionals and hang out with people in your field. You should let them know exactly what you are looking for and how much money you are willing to invest, and give them a way to contact you, be it your phone number, email, or any social media site. Make sure they know how to contact you. Learn to assess good value deals. Once you are done doing the primary work, the next thing you need to learn is to identify a good deal, so that when you find a deal, you will know if it is good enough or not. Also, don't just ignore a property if everyone is missing out on it. Look through every opportunity. Once you feel like this is it, analyze it from all angles. Look for risks involved, potential profit it can make, and whether it meets your goals financially or not. So, once you have been through the initial work, it is finally time to find commercial real estate deals. In this video, we have discussed 6 ways to find commercial real estate deals. We hope you'll find them useful. Let's get into it. Number 1. Get in touch with the broker. There are brokers in real estate. A person who facilitates the transactions and negotiation between buyer and seller, or a broker, is an intermediate person between two groups or individuals. If you are new in the business, it is always better to look for professionals who can help you out. If you are new in the field, brokers are your best option. The first reason is that brokers have experience which you don't have. The second reason is that even if you are experienced enough, you don't know what they know. Brokers try their best to have a list of all the current and upcoming deals. In other words, they have a list of good deals. Even if they don't have what you're looking for right now, they have a very strong network which can lead them to find what you are looking for. This is why you should consider adding them to your real estate team if you have one. If you partner up with them, they will find the deals for you, which is what you want. But here is the thing, you will have to look for the right brokers. Before deciding on one, meet with several. Ask them what deals they have landed in the past and any other queries you might have. Number 2. Look online. The internet has made things 1,000 times easier. No matter what you're trying to buy or sell, the internet always has the answers. There are not a few, but many resources on the internet for commercial real estate investors. There are websites on the internet where commercial real estate deals are available for sale. These websites can be owned by real estate agencies or real estate agents themselves. Sometimes, the owner of the property may post ads for selling it, so make sure you are following the commercial property owners across various social media platforms. Also, you can find groups for commercial real estate buyers on social media. Make sure to check them out too. You can also use social media for networking, so utilize the chance and connect with other people in your field. However, in any case, analyze the deals carefully. Often, deals are outdated, so be sure you are not wasting your time on a commercial real estate deal that has already been signed. Also, the data can be repetitive as well. So, whenever you come across a good deal, make sure to do proper research. Enjoying till now? Please hit the subscribe button now, like, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Number 3. Try your luck with cold calling or texting. Cold calling or cold texting is indeed outdated, but in many cases it works. At least, it works quite well in the case of finding real estate deals, be it commercial or residential. So, the secret here is to look for motivated sellers. Now, you must be thinking, what is a motivated seller and where do I find them? We will explain. A motivated seller is someone who might be leaving the country soon or already lives out of the country and might not want to handle things from afar. Someone who cannot keep up with the finances of a property, or someone who has personal reasons to sell. Whatever their reason is, the point here is that they are willing to sell it fast and hence cheap. Now, the next thing is where you will find them. You can connect with them on social media or through their website. LinkedIn is another great place to find them. You can also find their phone number by going through the white pages. You must be thinking, what if they don't want to sell? Yes, they don't want to sell it just yet, but when they want to, they will remember you and will have a way to contact you. You never know when things change. Now your work is to find motivated sellers and place a cold call or a text. Number 4. Personal branding. Have you ever noticed that there is this one real estate person who is famous in your town or your circle? People will always contact this person no matter what kind of property someone needs to buy or sell, be it an apartment, plot, restaurant, or anything. And this person will always know someone who has what you're looking for or someone who can help you out. The point here is that person is the master of his ship. This is called personal branding, which focuses on creating an identity in your field that will attract them to you. Personal branding is essential to level up in any business. You can use it to find real estate deals as well. The strategy here is that everyone will think of you whenever they need to sell their property. In this case, the first thing you will need is a high level of networking. Let everyone know what you are looking for. The next step is to give them a way to contact you. For this purpose, you can create business cards with all your social media sites, email, and phone number and hand them out to everyone you meet. The last thing is being ready. There are hundreds of other people eyeing the same property as you. So, when you get the lead, don't slack on it. If it is what you were looking for and it meets your goals, then analyze it carefully, and if you are satisfied, then go for it. Number 5. Keep an eye out for auctions. Sometimes, commercial real estate may end up at auction as well. The reason the property might go for auction is that the seller needs to sell it fast, and it saves time for the seller as they expose the property to all the potential buyers at once. But the thing here is that you can buy that property even before it gets on auction. If the owner is not in too much of a hurry, there is a fair chance that the property will be available on the local market, or you might get to hear about it before it gets to auction. Of course, to know about such a property, you will need a high level of networking. The point here is to keep an eye out for such properties, and when you hear about it, analyze it as soon as you can. If it meets your requirements, then sign the deal. Number 6. Have a keen eye for ads. We are pretty sure when you pass by for rent ads, you don't even notice them. If you're looking for a commercial real estate deal at a smaller level, you need to look out for ads. When you come across one, and it is what you were looking for all along, contact the owner. Now, you must be thinking, it is for rent, not for sale. You are right, it is not for sale. But here's the thing. There is a high chance that the owner might be willing to sell it based on the vacant situation. Don't be confused. We will explain it real quick. If most of the commercial property is vacant, holding on to it will not do any good to the owner as it is not generating money. So, all you have to do in this case is little negotiation and convince them to sell it to you. But this method will not work for properties having a small number of vacant units. Thus, before contacting the owner, make sure that the vacant situation is high and the property is not too big. Otherwise, you may end up wasting your time for no reason. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.